What do you think of a 50-year mortgage payment plan? Well, the White House is proposing a half-century mortgage option for new home buyers. The road to homeownership is getting steeper, and new data shows just how much harder it's become. Now, the National Association of Realtors says first-time home buyers make up just 21% of the market, which is a record low. I spoke to financial advisor Sherry Goss on why that is. Why is it a record low? Well, she says it goes beyond just housing. She says it's the cost of everything. Everything is more expensive: education, cars, insurance, basic necessities, and you're probably feeling the pinch. She's seeing this with a lot of her clients who have children, older children, who are, moving on to their next phase of life, but can't afford rent, can't afford buying their own home, and really can't afford taking that next step in life.
It is a massive trend because they can't even afford the rent where they live. And I hate it because back in our day, my day, it was a lot easier.
And ultimately, the average home buyer is now the oldest it's ever been, 40 years old. The first time people are buying a home. While a 50-year loan payment could be a tool for some, I also spoke with real estate agent Luke Smith about this. He says today's interest rates wouldn't complement that whatsoever.
Buying too much house, interest rates are too high, and it's just eating up all your money out of your pocket.
All in all, while you will have a lower monthly premium, it could cost more in the long run. Overall, both Goss and Smith say the trade-off could absolutely put buyers at risk.
If you could find something that you could do a 30-year and it's affordable and you could still have money in the bank for emergencies, that would be my comfort zone.
If they can figure out a way to get the financial institutions to say, hey, 50-year mortgage, but hey, we're capping this thing at like 3% interest, 3.5% interest, great. But it makes no sense with today's current interest rates.